You're going to regret beating me, Lily. Great job, Lily.
This is this year's swimming semi-final.
I will win. I can do it. I won't lose to you, Lily.
The competition begins!
Yes! I did it! I hate losing to you, Lily. You just got lucky today. You won't be able to compete in the swimming finals, Lily. You won't be able to beat me anymore. You're going to regret beating me, Lily. Lily! Oh no, Lily! What happened to you? I slipped and my ankle hurts so much. I can't stand up.
You have a small fracture in your ankle, so you will need to wear a cast for at least a month.
I'm so upset, Ethan. Is this how all my hard work has ended?
Lily, your health is the most important thing. We will find out what caused this. I've been training all year just for tomorrow, and now my dream is shattered. Don't give up. Your leg will heal, and you'll soon be able to swim again, stronger than ever.
Ethan, I find this very strange. Why is the cooking oil right in front of my cupboard door? That can't be a coincidence.
That's right. Cooking oil never appears there naturally. Someone must have deliberately tried to harm you. What do we need to do now to find that person? He'll be back at the pool hall now to check everything. You just stay home and rest. Hello, sir. Could you please show me the CCTV footage from the women's changing room hallway yesterday morning? My sister had an accident there. I have evidence of your crimes, Pip! Thank you, sir. Lily, look. This is why you fell. It's not your fault. Did Pip do this? Was she so afraid of losing to me that she had to resort to such dirty tricks? I can't let her get away with it. I'm determined to retake the exam next season to reclaim what's rightfully mine.
I'll always be there to help you. We'll start training as soon as your legs are stable. You'll swim faster than ever before.
Finally, the cast on my leg was removed.
You still need to practice and be careful when moving around.
Yes, doctor. Keep going, Lily. Just one more round. Your leg is recovering very quickly. Great job, Lily.
I feel great, Ethan. I'm ready to face Pip next season.
That's great, Lily. You're recovering very quickly.
Lily? Oh, look who's back! Are you planning to fall again? This time you won't stand a chance against me! Let the results speak for themselves under the water, Pip.
This is the final round of this year's swimming competition.
The competition begins!
Thank you, everyone.
This is Pip's fraudulent behavior. Please take a look.
She cheated and endangered other athletes.
You will be officially stripped of all her titles and banned from competing permanently.
You're amazing, Lily. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you for helping us achieve this victory.